Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to get an app back on your Android home screen. Let's get straight into it. If an app has disappeared from your home screen, I'll show you how to put it back. I'll also show you what to do if the app has actually been uninstalled from your phone. I'm starting on the home screen of my Android phone. The first thing I'm going to do is open the app drawer by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. The app drawer contains all of the apps currently installed on my phone. At the top of the screen, there's a search bar, so I'm going to tap into that search bar and search for PayPal. As you can see, the app appears in the results. This tells me that the app is still installed on my phone. It's just missing from the home screen. To put it back, I'll tap and hold the PayPal app for a couple of seconds. A menu appears, but I'm going to ignore it. Instead, I'll keep holding the app and drag it towards the edge of the screen. The home screen now appears. I can now place the app anywhere I like, simply by positioning it and lifting my finger. The PayPal app is now back on my home screen and ready to use. I'll tap it once to confirm that it opens normally. Now let's look at what to do if you can't find the app in the app drawer. In that case, it's possible that the app has been uninstalled from your phone. To reinstall it, we need to open the Google Play Store. You'll see the Play Store app on my home screen. If you can't find the app on your phone, simply tap the Google search bar at the bottom of the screen, search for Play Store, and then open the app from the results. I'm going to return to my home screen, however, and open the Play Store app from there instead. Once the Play Store has opened, I'll tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen, shown in the middle. This opens the search page for Play Store. Next, I'll tap the search bar at the top of this page and search for PayPal. You'll see that returns a number of results. On my phone, you can see there's an update button shown because PayPal is already installed. If the app has been removed from your phone, you'll see an install button shown here instead. You should simply tap the install button to reinstall the app. If I tap the update button, Android will do the same thing as an install, so it will download the app and then install it automatically onto my phone. You'll know that installation is finished when the open button appears next to the app. Let's tap on the open button to launch the app. If you've installed an app for the first time in a while, you may also need to sign back into your account before you can start using it. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.